Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another great presentation of the GRT price prediction for June 2024 in another episode. Here we are, guys. The market is preparing for something. It is very interesting in terms of how does the market sit like in terms of the charts, and you definitely want to see that. The graph, cryptocurrency, which has a lot to say, a bunch to deliver, and the AI sector as well by itself. We're looking forward to discovering more. And before we get into the topic, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. At the same time, if you want to pay attention to education, there is a one-on-one coaching program with me, including the done for you trading. You can join my journey, which I prefer explaining to you at the end. How does it work? So the GRT, the daily candles, and that's actually where we are at the moment, folks. It's a situation that is pretty much usual and quite comfortable after retracing and finding that correction momentum once the market pumped. We did that 60% retracement, as you can see, finding ourselves in a double bottom on the 200 days moving average line. This is very important. This kind of tells me that the environment we were is not over. Right? So when you're not losing your 200 days moving average and you're just pretty much pulling away and then coming back to the 200 days, is actually you're filling up a gap, which is extremely necessary for you to speak about extreme high levels, right? So it's not possible, folks, to expect that the cryptocurrencies will move from 8 cents, right? From 8 cents straight into the 46, 48, 50 cents and then not correct at all. Meanwhile, the price action was at that time 64% away from the 200 days moving average. During a bull market, that 200 days moving average has to be retested quite a few times, and it was retested already a few times. Back in the day, we extended as well, and we came back to it. Generated another extension, revisited the line. Now we're going to do a bigger extension, and we'll revisit the line at some point. Of course, these movements can take months. Even the revisiting the line sentence can take months until it confirms. But the whole perspective right now is a little different. You pushed into your, we got a couple of things going on. It's the downtrending resistance line of the trending movement. It's also basically the golden pocket slightly above you, and it's the median line of the onshore volume weighted average price pattern. That kind of situation is usually putting together quite of a significant force of bearishness because it's above us. So in this case scenario, we need basically the whole market to participate with an environment movement, something that could trigger basically GRT, at least 15-20% movements in a day, and you want to build that up for 2 or 3 days, one after the other. That's where we are, guys. I mean, you got your 100 days moving average, and the perspective for June is actually to get into the retesting of the golden pocket and make sure we break out of the trending line, which I kind of see as an easy target for sure. It's something that do not challenges me that much. 27% down the road, you push into that, and you're quite fine basically with the numbers above, right? You can definitely force afterwards to re-attack the 46 cents area and work with that aggressively. But for the moment, for June, I'm going to be quite simple on that. The first target is 38 cents. And the second target is going to be 45 cents. I'm going to work with 2 targets on that to the bullish side. If there's going to be any form of retracement, continuation on this phase, 200 days moving average will be the level, 25 cents, which I'm looking forward with a great possibility again to deal with. Right, so again, folks, 37 golden pocket is a meaningful level where the bears could step in, which do not necessarily mean they would have the ability to reverse the market trend at that level. Yeah, also the 45 cents as well. If you reverse from 45 cents into the golden pocket and confirm your support in golden pocket, you know what's going to happen, right? We'll break the top afterwards and quite aggressively. Something that should not have targets below 60, below 67, right? So those are the places you guys should start targeting if your golden pocket at 37 becomes your next base level. 100% from here and a little higher than 100% for the other target as fast as possible, guys. That's it. Quick video, straight to the point, by delivering you the most important details in a very easy to understand way, quite familiar for the majority of people, nothing comprehensive advanced, nothing on how do you trade. This is most likely a language of the market delivered to you folks. Trading is complex, cannot be put together in such videos on YouTube. It's just a type of helping material that is pretty much contributing in a positive way to people. Enjoy, folks. And if you care about education, then check out this video till the end. There's also the ability for you to schedule yourself a free conversation. You can also participate in my trades. Check out this one till the end. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand, just like I said, and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very, very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very, very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time. But the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high. And that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.